Okay, Chapter 2, Section 1, Problem 98. It asks you to look at f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x cubed. It asks you to graph f and f prime. So x squared is about that, and then f prime is going to be equal to 2x, which is, something like that. And then g is x cubed, which is that. And then g prime is going to be 3x squared, which is, something along these lines. So, identify the pattern. If we look at the exponents of each, we notice that they go down a power. So, the derivative is a polynomial of a degree one less, specifically one less, than the original function. And lastly, it asks you to find the limit, the f prime of this function. So f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x goes to 0 of f x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. So we know the limit as delta x goes to 0 of f of x plus delta of just x plus delta x to the fourth minus x to the fourth all over delta x. The limit as delta x goes to 0 is going to be equal to x to the fourth plus 4x cubed delta x plus 6x squared delta x squared plus 4x delta x cubed plus delta x to the fourth minus x to the fourth over delta x. And that's using Pascal's triangle, and then you can get rid of those because they cancel out, and then you want to factor out a delta x, and then that delta x will cancel out with this delta x, so you'll be left with delta x goes to 0 of 4x cubed plus 6x squared delta x plus 4x delta x squared plus delta x cubed, and then you plug in 0 for delta x, you get 4x cubed. And this is 1 degree less than your original function, which is consistent with the theory.